Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today I've got a beauty. Check this out. This is a gorgeous American lock. It's all brass, shackle, body. There's your keyway. This thing is weighty. So I'm told they use these on the naval ships so that they're round so they can do their little wiggle thing in the ocean. There's a key, beautiful. It's key retaining. You have to push that back in, turn the key back to 12 o'clock. That's our bidding. So, got this little beauty from Chris Capune. That's his little dangly, his little padlock paracord. Now, I'm going to try and pick this with the top of the keyway commercial range and me Daz Evers medium hook. Now Chris sent me some instructions on how to pick this because I was not having much success. He said start off with light tension. The noises you can hear is the dog waking up. Having a drink. Having a long drink. How you going, darling? That's a good girl. Yeah, can't patch at the minute, swear. You got my hands full. Alright, I need to put my hands down. Might be bumping the camera a bit. Sorry if it's a bit wobbly. A little bit of counter rotation. So when you feel that spool kicking in, increase the tension a little bit more. Go back along. Find the binder that's holding the spool from rotating. Seems like it's the first pin. Oh, not the tension wrench fallout trick. Oh. Well, it's a dead call, I think, I hope. Which means I won't have lost everything. I hope. Let's find out. Are you kidding me? Alright, let's change it up. Let's go to Chris Capune wrench. Now feel free to fast forward my videos. You can always fast forward to the good bits. Try not to do too much commentary so you don't miss out on anything. Are you serious? What is going on? Let's go for bottom of the keyway. There's a train. Shakes the shit out of the house. Set one spool. Oh, I can't get on those back pins now. I've got that bottom of the keyway in. So change it up. Let's go for the SS Death. Oh, I think I've got it. Yes. Oh, what an attempt. Okay. Oh, lost track of how many times that top of the keyway fell out. Wow, that is one beautiful, beautiful padlock. Got no specs for you. I'll just grab my thing. Birdie's barking at the hood, letting them know she's awake. Birdie darling, come on. That's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. You gotta be quiet, sweetie. Yeah, that's a good girl. Okay, you be quiet now. Alright, some specs. Well, let's get it all. Alright, 6.38mm 3/7 shackle. It's 36 wide. 37 on. Let's lock it up. And you've got so it's an 18mm shackle. So there you have it, this beautiful round American all brass lock from me mate Chris Capune. Oh, just loving that. And now planes going across. Well, we've had everything this morning. We've had the neighbourhood sounds, we've had the dog, we've had a train, now we've got a plane. Welcome to suburbia. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.